Hello class, in today's lecture we will start our new topic regarding to the chemical properties of metal. The very first property of metal is the reaction of metals with oxygen. Actually, when metal react with the oxygen, the atmospheric oxygen will take part in this reaction. So, on burning with the presence of atmospheric oxygen, metal form metal oxide. If we see the general reaction of metal with oxygen, then we find that when metal react with the oxygen presence in air, it form metal oxide. Okay, but the reaction of metal with oxygen depends upon the reactivity of the metal, according to which some of the metal like sodium and potassium react with the oxygen of air at room temperature, even at room temperature. So, if we see the reaction of sodium and potassium, these reactive metals can react with the oxygen of air even at room temperature to form the salt having basic nature. Okay, to form the oxide of basic nature. When sodium react with oxygen, it form sodium oxide. You have to learn very strictly that when a metal react with oxygen, it will form the metal oxide, and you know it very well that all the metal oxide have the basic nature. So when sodium react with oxygen, it will form sodium oxide, which have the basic nature. Now we see the reaction of potassium metal when it react with oxygen. Like sodium, it will also form its oxide called potassium oxide, which also have the basic nature. Now, to prove the basic nature of metal oxide, we will do the reaction of these metal oxide with water and see what will happen. Most of the metal oxide are soluble in water, but metal oxide of sodium and potassium, when dissolved in water, they form alkalis. Okay, बहुत सारी ऐसी मेटल्स होती हैं जिनके ऑक्साइड वाटर में इनसॉल्युबल होते हैं, लेकिन कुछ मेटल्स, रिएक्टिव मेटल्स, इनके ऑक्साइड वाटर में सॉल्युबल भी होते हैं, जो कि वाटर में रिएक्ट करके एल्कली को फॉर्म करते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, व्हेन सोडियम ऑक्साइड dissolve in water, it forms sodium hydroxide, which is an alkali. Like it, when potassium oxide react with water, it will also form an alkali called potassium hydroxide. Okay, these are alkalis because these base can dissolve in water. That's why they are known as alkali, and this is the cause that these metals are also called alkali metals. Now we will study the reaction of oxygen on magnesium metal. Magnesium metal does not react with oxygen at room temperature, but when it is burned in air, then it gives intense light and heat to produce magnesium oxide, which is actually a white powder. If we see the reaction, 2 Mg plus O2 gives the magnesium oxide, which is MgO. Okay, the magnesium oxide also dissolves in water, but it will dissolve in water partially to give magnesium hydroxide, which is also a base. It is not an alkali, it is called base because it is a weak base and does not dissolve in water totally. Okay, now we will see the reaction of aluminium metal. How aluminium metal react with water, react with oxygen. Aluminium metal in air does not burn as readily like the previous metals like magnesium, but on heating with oxygen it gives the aluminium oxide, which is its oxide called Al2O3. Okay.